The Bangsamoro Ministry of Social Services and Development is expanding programs to ensure equal access to social services, education, and livelihood opportunities. These are all for residents as the region marks its 7th year of autonomy. And mobile journalist Marymon Reyes has the report.
A Filipino in Luzon should be equal to a Filipino in Visayas and equal to a Filipino in Mindanao and equal to a Filipino in Bangsamoro. All rights, privileges, access to peace and development projects, budget, accorded to them equally if we want to remain a citizen and an equal citizen of this sovereign nation.
Alongside the foundation of the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region of Muslim Mindanao, now on its 7th year, is the Ministry of Social Services and Development, or the MSSD, acting as its regional executive department, the BARM's primary agency for social service delivery. It goes hand in hand with the transition and normalization period of the region, to which several programs are being implemented, including mental health, psychosocial support, assistance to trafficking survivors recovery, emergency and disaster relief assistance, provision of safe shelters for women and children in crisis, cash for work assistance, access to education and livelihood opportunities, and child youth welfare programs such as its Kupko program for the orphan, free birth registration, and feeding programs. In a forum, the MSSD shared that one thing everyone should know about the region is that it is no longer about violence, as they have seen a decrease in internal conflicts. Rather, it is now a conquest of reaching each and every Moro to extend the means and opportunities of living a peaceful and stable life. This, especially the youth who may have experienced forced labor, trauma, or sense of being lost.
Meron po kami pinapatayong bahay Pag-asa. Sa local level, nilalakasan natin yung responsibilidad ng mga kasama natin sa gobyerno. So binubuo natin yung mga interagency, multidisciplinary team para pagsisigurado na kung merong bata na napunta sa ganung landas, maibalik natin at mabigyan natin ng kaukulang serbisyo. Tuloy ang ating family development sessions. Yan para pagsisigurado na ang bawat pamilya, ang bawat magulang ay makita ang responsibilidad sa mga anak.
Throughout day 1 of the MSSD's Tanglao Forum and connecting with members of national and regional media, it was seen that communication is crucial to striking the stigma surrounding the region on its historical journey towards autonomy to its much-awaited parliamentary elections. On talks of sovereignty, according to the minister of the MSSD, while the region is holding on to its agreement with the national government for autonomy and keeping strong its share of protecting the country and its coastal areas, they are still watching out for future hurdles.
I think if we are able to show that this autonomy works, then maybe that is the end of that struggle. Sa ngayon po, I would have to say that some parts of the agreement did not find their way into the law. Like, yung kinanta ko po, yung shared power sana sa public order, it's not there in the DOL. Yung power over Sharia, it's still under the Supreme Court. So, meron pa rin pong mga ganyan na kailangan pang bunuin. So, challenge pa rin sa Bangsamoro Transition Authority and the regular governments how they make use of the powers that are and the resources provided to them.
Therefore, Philippines needs the Bangsamoro people, and the Bangsamoro people need our Filipino brothers and sisters to understand that our destiny is intertwined with yours. And perhaps when the time comes that you can count the number of skyscrapers here, the same as in Makati or BGC, then that is progress in terms of equity.
Kapatid mobile journalist Marymon Reyes, we are One News.